So we want to open up exercise 142. Let's go over here to exercise chapter 1, map docs, and then we'll select exercise 142. Then once you're in here, let's use the bookmark for DeMeyer Park. Select bookmarks and then DeMeyer Park. Here, we want to find what parcels are within 300 feet of this park. So let's use the selection tool found right here, select features, and then draw a box over these 3 parcels, and then you should make sure you got 3 selected down here. Now we want to modify this selection with a 300-foot buffer. To do this, go to the selection menu, select by location. Here we have the select by location menu. So we want to fill this out so that we can get the correct selection for 300 feet. First, we want to select parcels Boise, because that's our target layer for the selection. We want to select features from that layer. Next, parcels Boise will be the source layer because we already have an active selection in that layer. And then the spatial selection method for target layer features. Instead of the default, which is intersect, we want to find one that are within a distance of the source layer feature. Now we want to change the default of 200 to 300 feet. Now if everything looks like this, you should be able to press apply, and then your selection should change to 118 down the bottom left if you want to check it. We can go ahead and close this, and now you can see that there's a whole bunch of parcels within 300 feet that have also been selected. Now let's export this data to a table. So from the table of contents, let's open up the attribute table. And see here you can see 118 out of 1067 selected. Let's use the table options menu and then go down to export. Here we want to do the selected records. You could also change it to all, but we want just the selected, so always check that. We're just going to export the table, so there's going to be no spatial data for this, so we don't have to worry about the coordinate system. And then we want to select where we want it to go. Just double check. We want to make sure it's in exercises, chapter 1, output. There's already one from a previous exercise. Let's go ahead and put this in here, and we can call it parcels EX142. Then change it, the save as type to dbase table, and you can see that different dbase files pop up are visible. That's okay. Go ahead and press save. And then if everything looks correct, go ahead and press OK. We don't want to add it to our map, so press no. Here you can go ahead and view it like before, where you can browse to where the file was exported to and open up the DBF file.